Welcome to DB CyberTech. I'm Sean, and in this video, I will walk you through the Syslog configurations and reading Syslog data on the Splunk Technical Add-on. Let's get started. First, log in to your DB CyberTech Aspecto system. For this video, I'll be using training. Now, select the Settings tab, then choose Advanced under the drop-down. On the Advanced Settings page, choose the Syslog option. It's also the second option down on the left-hand side. On this page, you will configure the system to direct traffic to your Syslog server. You can choose the facility code, decide if you want a custom host name for each system forwarding events, enable or disable Syslog forwarding, apply the IP address of the Syslog server, and configure the port. Next, we'll look at the DB CyberTech Splunk Technical Add-on. If you have not installed the DB CyberTech Technical Add-on and dashboards, you will need to do that first. You can find these on Splunk base by searching DB CyberTech. So you can just look up DB CyberTech and get both of these. Now we're going to log into the Splunk application. Once everything is installed, you'll need to index events. So first what we're going to do, we're going to go to Settings and then go to Indexes. From here, we're going to create a new index. We're going to give the index a name, so training. We're going to select the data type as events. We're going to enable the data integrity check. And then down here where it says app, we're going to use the drop-down to select DB CyberTech. We're then going to save. And now, when you go to your apps up here, you can go to DB CyberTech Dashboards. And you can see that index. So the default will take you to the Discovery Event dashboard. And as you can see, I already have several other indexes already set up. In these indexes, you can see all the discovery events that the Aspecto system has identified. To display this information, select the index you created and then a machine. So for this example, I will use dbc_index. And then for machine, since I have a couple, I will use the 0022 machine. I have multiple Aspecto units active, and they are each identified by the associated system serial numbers. I will use a time frame of the last 7 days, and then select Submit. So now here you can see all the discovery events for this system for the past week. In this case, the DB CyberTech system discovered 3 new services, 3 new conversations, 6 total hosts, and 3 new users. Along with the Discovery Event dashboard, you can click the Dashboards drop-down to see all the DB CyberTech dashboards. Another commonly used dashboard is the health counters. In the same way that you can look at Syslog data on the Discovery Event dashboard, you can do the same with health counters. Health counters check the overall system health. You will select an index and corresponding machine to look at the health data. Again, so I will use dbc_index and the machine ending with 0022 for this example. This time I will use the previous 24-hour window and then hit Submit. So as you can see here, the report shows information such as packet rates on the capture interfaces, CPU load, memory usage, and at the bottom, any restart events. As there were no restarts, this is what the system will show. This concludes the DB CyberTech walkthrough of how to configure Syslog forwarding and set up your Splunk Technical Add-on. For more information, please contact DB CyberTech Technical Support at their email support@dbcybertech.com or by calling 1-800-375-0592. Again, that's support@dbcybertech.com or 1-800-375-0592. I'm Sean from DB CyberTech. Thanks for watching.